Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so NFC works reliably. First, open Settings Connections and turn on NFC. This enables the radio that reads tags. Make sure your Samsung model actually supports NFC and that the battery is above 20%. Low power can limit radio performance. Once done, remove thick cases that block the antenna, and if you plan to pay, sign into Samsung Pay. If using Google Pay, make sure it's set as your default contactless app. Now move to pairing and tag reading. Next, practice the core interaction so you know how and why it works. You'll hold the phone's NFC area, usually near the middle of the back, directly over the tag or another device. Alignment matters because the antenna is small. Tap gently and keep steady until you feel a vibration or see a prompt. That confirms data exchange. Use the prompt to open links, launch an app, transfer contacts, or pair accessories. If you're automating tasks, make sure the correct app has permission to write or run actions before proceeding. To complete the process, verify the intended action executed and adjust defaults so future taps are seamless. If a payment or pairing didn't finish, double-check the app's permissions and that you selected the correct default contactless app. When things go wrong, restart the phone and the other device, then retry with precise alignment. NFC is sensitive to position. If problems persist, test with a known good tag or boot into safe mode to rule out interfering apps. This single troubleshooting step usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.